About birds. Birds. Repeat after me. Birds. 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 Number one. Hoppo. 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 Okay. And all the birds have wings. 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 Not wings. No. Wings. Wings. And feather. 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 Okay. And this one is eagle. 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 You can find an eagle on a flag. On a flag. Okay. And ostrich. 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 Can or can't fly?
No.
Can't fly because it's heavy and big. Heavy and big. So it can't fly. It can't.
Fly.
And turkey. 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 Crow. Crow. What is the color of a crow? What is the color of a crow? Black. Yes. Parrot. 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 And a parrot has a beak. Beak. Feather. Wings. Beak. Feather. Wings. And a tail. 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 And owl. Owl. An owl has big white and wide eyes. Yes. Peacock. 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 Colorful peacock. Colorful peacock. Okay, again. Hoopoe. Hoopoe. Eagle.
Eagle.
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
Turkey.
Turkey.
Crow.
Crow.
Parrot.